over training. We're out today with our adult care learners. They're on the second week of their programme and they're out in the local community doing a work experience session which will help to build their communication skills, build their confidence in preparation for interview, and also get to meet some elderly people face to face and interact with them.
I'm Dennis. I work for an organisation called D&B Productions. We help facilitate these Monday Fun Days at Fifth Avenue Community Centre. I think that carers are the backbone of our society. We can't live without them. And here at the centre, we help to teach them the core values of being a carer, the compassion, the commitment, the understanding, and the basic skills, communication skills, the importance of knowing your self-worth and helping and supporting the people you're caring for. And also having fun, having a good time, enjoying what you do. That's what Nova Training's course is all about, teaching you the core skills of being a carer and enjoying the core values of what